Laser eyelid and facial plastic surgeon, Dr. Adam Scheiner, is here. Adam, welcome to the show.
Well, thank you so much.
What makes you so passionate about this? You know, and the procedures we're talking about today are very commonly done, but these are massive breakthroughs that I think will change the landscape. But I'm curious about, in particular, these bags. What makes you so passionate about them?
You know, I have patients who come to see me, and they have problems with lower eyelid bags and sometimes swellings on their cheeks. And other people will relate to them and tell them that they look tired or sick, sometimes when they're not feeling that way themselves. And so by doing these procedures, I can take baggy, sun-damaged skin and make it smooth, tight, and younger. And I really enjoy helping people this way. When I do this procedure afterwards, my patients come back and they tell me that people are relating to them differently. They say, you know, you're not looking tired anymore. And for me, that's very rewarding as a physician to be able to help them this way.
Well, I can relate to this problem a lot. And I've got 4 kids. They actually purred me off to sleep, saying that I'm tired in the morning when I'm not tired. But see the bags under my eyes. It runs in my family. My dad has humongous bags. Mine are getting there. And it's something that actually frustrates you. So talk to me about this procedure, because I'm personally curious about this. What makes it so unique?
So there hasn't been a great treatment for festoons until this procedure. Conventional...
A festoon?
Festoons, yes.
You want to show us what a festoon is?
Sure.
Actually, I got a little... You describe it for us, and I'll draw it for you.
Great. So festoons are this swollen mound that forms on the cheek, and that is exactly the festoon. Above that, sometimes you can see this fullness in the lower eyelid. That's more the lower eyelid bag. And a lot of times when people get the lower eyelid bags removed, sometimes they don't always get the festoon fixed, and sometimes it doesn't look as great afterwards. Yeah.
So go back to the uniqueness of the procedure. So we have a festoon, we have the bag, and what makes the procedure unique?
You know, so there hasn't been a great treatment for festoons until this procedure. Conventional surgery, what they've tried to do is stretch the skin in an effort to flatten the festoon, and this doesn't really work.
Right.
This procedure is like a reset button, and it basically creates new skin.
New skin?
New skin.
That sounds pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to remind everybody, this is what Donna's picture looked like beforehand. You all see that? Now, I'm pretty anxious to see her. Are you guys? Yes. I thought so. Donna, please join us. Come on out. That look, let me see this. I mean, that is spectacular.
Thank you.
Spectacular. Congratulations.
How are you? It's great to see you.
Come have a seat. So it's been 2 weeks.
Yes.
I'm flabbergasted. The festoons are gone. The bags are gone. It is remarkable. When people see you, your friends, people who love you, how do they respond?
They're just amazed. They can't believe the difference in how I look now. I don't look tired anymore. I don't mind looking in the mirror.
Yeah.
I just feel great.
Isn't that crazy? You know, can I just say, one of the reasons I felt so passionately about doing this segment was because I think there are times when the way we look pulls us down, drags us down. We just don't feel as proud as we should about ourselves, just because we're reminded when we look in the mirror about things we don't want to see. And that is, in my opinion, a good reason to have plastic surgery, when it's really thought through, and when you really had your mind focused on something that's pulling you off track from the real vision of life you ought to be having. Okay, so question number 1, did it hurt?
No.
It didn't?
No.
All right, so he was right.
Yeah, I was awake through the whole
You
procedure.
never tell when the surgeons tell you it doesn't hurt. And is it permanent? Is it a one-time deal and you're done?
Once we've gotten the skin healthier, this skin will stay healthier for as long as she keeps herself protected from the sun.
So let me see one more time.